We're gonna get all those dogs chopped up because we're making chili dog sliders, baby. First thing we gotta do is toast up these buns. You're gonna want these nice and toasted so it stands up to the chili, the cheese, all that good stuff. So take 10 minutes and toast up your buns. Y'all, and around here, we do this with Hormel chili, no beans. Beans do not belong in chili. I don't care what you say. Argue with me in the comments. No beans in chili, baby. Okay, we got some nice toasty buns here. These are ready to hold up to the chili and the cheese and the hot dogs, all that stuff. So we're gonna start building our chili cheese dog sliders. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of cheese on the bottom here. What this is gonna do is kind of hold it together. Keep that, keep those rolls in good shape here. Got the cheese. We're using nice mild cheddar. Okay, so that's gonna melt and keep everything together. Add our hot dogs. Guys, these can get everywhere. It is what it is. Just put a nice little layer of dogs on. Some fall off, just pick them right back up. Okay, we're not doing anything too crazy here. Y'all can do this. This is way too easy. And guys, if you love chili cheese dogs like your boy, this is good stuff right here. You know a good chili cheese dog hits the right spot every time. Where do you guys get your chili cheese dogs? For us around here, if we're not making them at home, we're going to Wiener Schnitzel. And I'm old enough to remember when it was called Der Wiener Schnitzel back in the day. I think we got enough hot dogs on there. Let's get some chili on. Right, here's our chili. No beans, please. I heated it up a little bit so it will let me spoon it on the top. Remember to take it out of the can before you put it on the microwave. I'm not saying I've had experience putting a can in the microwave, but I'm not saying I haven't had experience doing that. So this is 2 cans worth of Hormel chili. Again, no beans, people. All right, get the rest of the cheese back on. We're using basically this whole bag. We want it cheesy as can be, people. Let's just put the mound on top and we'll just spread it around. There we go. Guys, this is gonna be an ooey gooey mess. That is why we toasted the rolls, okay? Last but not least, I like a little bacon on my chili cheese dogs. What about you? Tell me down below. Do you like a little bacon on your chili cheese dogs? What else would you add to this monstrosity? And this bacon, obviously, is cooked already. You don't want to put uncooked bacon on this because it's going to cook so dang fast. Get some of that cheese back on. It'll help kind of keep that bacon on too. Oh yeah, guys, this is a monster. You're going to love this. Trust me on that one. Time to crown our masterpiece here. Again, these rolls are toasted too, so it can stand up to it. Okay. Guys, tell me that doesn't look good. So we just got a little garlic salt, a little butter, a little fresh parsley, just to give it that pop of color. You know, I'm not saying parsley doesn't have flavor, but you know, really, you eat parsley for the flavor. Come on. Now we're gonna get this in the oven for another 15-20 minutes, just until all that cheese is melted, and we're looking good. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm excited for this one. When we're baking these off, like I said, 10-15 minutes just so that cheese gets melted. We're doing 350 on our oven over my shoulder here, but your regular oven will just be fine. Okay, you just want that cheese melted, nice and hot all the way through, easy as can be. There you go, boys and girls. Look at that. Cheese, ooey gooey, melty, nice and toasty on top too. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this thing. We're gonna cut off an end piece here. Figure we could do the least amount of damage on camera with the clean-ish, not as messy piece. Maybe. Guys, Oh, we're good, y'all. Let's take a bite. We got nice bacon, got the cheese, everything we want. It's spread out evenly in here. Let's take a bite. What do you say? You know it's gonna be hot. Do it because I love you. Oh my God. Gotta have a napkin, bye. This is like the best chili dog you've ever had, right? And it's in little slider form, so everybody can get a piece. It's great for little party appetizers. Cut them all up, set them out. You're gonna love it.